And this was a spectacular act of narco-terrorism that we had never seen before.
It is, of course, as I said, 10 years since news broke of the Regency attack. The plan was to wipe out Daniel Kinahan and his top lieutenants in one fell swoop. What actually did happen?
What did happen was they went in, fired handguns to create chaos and try to find Daniel Kinahan, and everybody ran, a lot of people ran towards the reception area where these three guys with AKs came in, and they shot two other associates and David Byrne, shot him dead. The attempt was to cut the head of the snake in one fell swoop, knock them all out, because remember, this was in a revenge for the murder of Gary Hutch, Jerry Hutch's nephew. It was clearly decided that the only way to deal with the Kinahans was to wipe them out. And it didn't work out. What happened then was that the Kinahans, Daniel Kinahan and Liam Byrne together unleashed this unprecedented cycle of bloodletting that resulted in another 15 murders in total.
There were a number of people who were charged in relation to this attack. Talk us through what happened there.
The figures were released today by the Gardaí. Said there was 98 convictions altogether in relation to the Kinahan-Hutch feud. But only 4 people were actually convicted in relation to the most audacious act of criminal terrorism in the history of the state. One was Jonathan Dowdall, the former Sinn Féin councillor, and his father, Patrick. And he was the guy, Dowdall, who was a close friend of the family, and then he turned supergrass and became one of probably the worst supergrass in the history of the state as well. And it did change gangland because for a start, you know, at the time, like, it was the most embarrassing episode in the history, you know, of An Garda Síochána
to happen at such a public event.
There are 3 sides to this war. One was the Hutch side, then there's the Kinahans, and the other was the state in the form of An Garda Síochána. And it has to be said that all these years later, the only side that won was An Garda Síochána. Dozens of criminals in the Kinahan side were convicted with their own words when secret bugging devices were put into cars and buildings and all of that.